In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hyperlink split across lines in Word. Sometimes, when you insert a long hyperlink, you might notice that Word leaves a large space on the line above, making your document look uneven. This happens because hyperlinks are treated as unbreakable text by default. But there's a simple way to fix this using a special character. The character we're going to use is called a zero-width optional break. It allows the hyperlink to wrap naturally without affecting the formatting of the surrounding text. I'm going to show you two methods for inserting this character. If the first method doesn't work for you, try the second one. For the first method, place your cursor immediately after the / or wherever you want the hyperlink to split. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and using the numeric keypad, type 8203. After entering the numbers, release the Alt key. You should see the hyperlink move up to fill the space on the Chiffre line above, resolving the uneven spacing issue. If you want to check, you can turn on the Show/Hide button on the Home tab of the ribbon to see the hidden special character. You can toggle this on and off as needed. If the first method doesn't work, there's an alternative approach. Click where you want the character inserted, again after the / or your preferred breakpoint. Then type 200B and immediately press Alt and X together. This converts the code into the same zero-width optional break character and produces the same effect, allowing the hyperlink to wrap across lines neatly. Using either of these methods keeps your hyperlink fully functional while eliminating the awkward spacing above it. This is especially useful in documents with long URLs or in guides where multiple hyperlinks are included on the same page. By applying the zero-width optional break, your links will appear clean, professional, and easy to read without breaking the clickable functionality. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to manage hyperlinks that extend across multiple lines, making your Word documents look polished and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.